You've just sent us your manuscript. What happens next? Let's walk through the steps to transform your completed manuscript into a published book. Assessment. Your finalized manuscript will arrive with your managing editor or a member of their team. They will review it for completeness, ensuring all materials are present, and review content quality and permission for the use of third-party copyright materials in your work. They'll also check word count, estimated page length, and begin coordinating cover design and copy. You can help move this process forward by being available to answer any queries your Wiley point of contact may have during this phase. Copy editing and typesetting. Your manuscript will be assigned to a content refinement specialist. They'll oversee the production process of your book, from unedited manuscripts to final files for publication. During this phase, your manuscript will be copy edited for style, consistency, and terminology, then sent to the typesetter. You can help ensure this phase progresses smoothly by submitting the final version of your manuscript, as changes after submission can be costly and cause delays in production. Proofing and indexing. As your manuscript progresses through production, we'll send you page proofs to check for errors and prepare for indexing if not already prepared. You'll receive specific instructions from your Wiley contact detailing how to correct and return your proofs. Once you've returned your proofs, your corrections will be sent to the typesetter for them to incorporate. The index is also sent for setting. As a reminder, proofs are for typographical errors only. Be sure to adhere to the schedule to avoid any delays. Publication. Once the content is final, the typesetter will create and supply digital formats. These will be checked by the content refinement specialist we mentioned earlier. If applicable, your book will be sent for printing and binding, and a copy of the printed version will be quality checked. Once given the green light, our distributors will be instructed to release the book, allowing orders to be fulfilled. You did it. Your book is ready. Now it's time to start promoting it.